Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do the red target and the green target. I just painted the bullet holes in the t-shirt and the plastic target from the last round. And then what I'm going to do is I've got 10 rounds. So I'm going to do 2 rounds in that one, 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 and then oscillate whichever one I feel like shooting more. Because you got to have fun doing this. So if you love pulling trigger and practicing and getting your skills set up, it's a great way to do it. Ready? Let's go. And there you have it. Let's take a look at the shots. All right, that's good right there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this target. One, 2, 3, 4 in this target. So I put 6 in this one and 4 in that one, oscillating between the two. So that's a good day. We got all 10 shots on target. You know, and like I said, don't just practice till you get it right, practice till you can't get it wrong, because it might save your life.